Hi, just taking a minute to share my personal journey with Kian Health and Olesia, my therapist. What started over a year ago with just a journey looking into some personal issues and some process addictions I was struggling through has morphed into a total recreation of my entire life. Coming to grips with things that were broken from my past, redefining so much about who I am. My journey to this point would not have been complete without my counselor. She has been instrumental in everything that I have been through. She's helped me to see my weaknesses, my strengths, and then to redefine myself. I am a different person now than I was then. And the future looks brighter because of that. So I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm an accountant. I had some stress, and due to some family personal issues, I realized that I need help from outside from a trained professional. From the session one, it was a good match, and I realized that all keys in my hands, and I made great improvements in my life, and also I could decrease my worries and anxiety.
Ahoj, jmenuji se Michal, pracuji jako servisní technik. Měl jsem problémy s vyrovnáním se s minulostí. Snažil jsem se to vyřešit sám, akorát to nestačilo, tak jsem hledal odbornou pomoc pracovníků Kian Health. Začal jsem se soustředovat na přítomnost a na budoucnost, spíš než řešit tu minulost, kterou vlastně už vyřešit nemůžu. Velice mě to pomohlo a trošku lituji, že jsem to neudělal dřív.